A calm, sunny morning, a girl cycles through a lush park. The girl arrives at the shelter, hops off her bike, and folds it to allow it to stand. She took her phone with her and takes a quick glance at it before walking away. She heads down the trail, looking excited, holding her camera and humming lightly. She arrives at a scenic spot with a breathtaking view of a calm lake surrounded by trees. But it was at this moment that she knew she fucked up. This time it will be different. A discreet rear light on the back of her bike shines red. It's not just a light. It's a high-tech anti-theft alarm rear light that supports 4 flashing modes with brake detection, USB Type-C port, and sound up to 110 decibels. The girl confidently presses a small button on her key fob, and a beep indicates that the alarm is armed. She raises her camera and starts snapping pictures until the warning sound is activated, and if the thief continues to move the bike, the alarm will trigger. For installation, the first method. Insert the first screw into the mount and slot the mount under your saddle. Then insert the second screw into the other end. Screw the last screw into the center of the mount. And finally, tighten all the screws evenly. Second method. Place the rubber piece on the mount like this. It will prevent the seat post from getting scratched and also provide good friction. Insert the screws and nuts on both ends and tighten them evenly. Third method. The last method would be better for mounting on bags, but for demonstration, she will be mounting it on the seat post with zip ties. Remember to trim the tails once done. Settings. To enter the settings mode, press and hold the unlock button until you hear a beep sound that indicate you have entered a setting mode. Highest sensitivity starting with Do, and lowest sensitivity ending at C. In my case, I am leaving at the highest sensitivity. There are 3 different ringtones, 3 different volume levels. 4 types of flashing pattern, flashing mode, pulsing mode. Quick flashing mode. constant on mode. Horn for headphones users or ping to locate your bike. Thank you so much for watching my video. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.